latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US Senator Bob Menendez expressed concerns over China's territorial behavior, especially with India. Menendez from the Democrat Party said that Beijing has too often sought to redraw the map of Asia without regard for its neighbors. Chinese troops clashed with the Indian Army in Ladakh last month. The situation worsened when the clashes left 20 Indian Army personnel martyred in the Galwan Valley. The Chinese military began withdrawing troops from the Galwan Valley after NSA Ajit Doval held talks with Chinese Foreign Minister. As India and China work to disengage along the line of control, I remain deeply concerned by China's aggressive behavior in territorial disputes. From the 2017 Doklam standoff to the recent violence along the borders of Sikkim and Ladakh to China's new claims to Bhutanese territory, Beijing has all too often sought to redraw the map of Asia without regard for its neighbors. Bob Menendez, a senator from New Jersey, added that the international community must be clear that such behavior is unacceptable. US-India partnership based on their shared commitment to democracy is vital to uphold international law, international norms, and the institutions that can peacefully and diplomatically resolve disputes and aggression. I am committed to working with the Indian government and the Indian American community in New Jersey and throughout the United States to advance US-India cooperation. United States National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien also hit out at China over its territorial behavior. O'Brien condemned the attack by the Chinese army on the Indian Army where 20 Indian Army personnel were martyred. The Chinese have been very aggressive with India. This is the dispute between India and China, but China has shown itself for what it was. Chinese troops ambushed the Indians. They beat 20 Indians to death. They beat them so badly with clubs, with nails in them, and wrapped with barbed wire. Responding to a question on US-India bilateral relations, O'Brien said India is a democracy and is a great friend of the United States. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo earlier had described the ruling Chinese Communist Party as a rogue actor. The People's Liberation Army has escalated border tensions with India, the world's most populous democracy. It's militarizing the South China Sea and illegally claiming more territory there, threatening vital sea lanes. During the unrest, US President Donald Trump had condemned the attack and had said these actions only confirms the true nature of Communist Party. Several leaders across the world had extended their support to India during the standoff.